What are you eating, CJ?
Apple.
Still? Say ah.
No.
Don't tell mommy no.
Yes. Tell mommy no. Tell mommy no. Tell mommy no when she says ah.
Oh, it is an apple.
It is?
I believe so.
It is?
Yes, honey.
How do you know?
I saw it.
CJ. CJ. Want apple? Get down. Mommy, get him down.
Come, CJ. Come get apple. Come. CJ, come.
Ah!
He's not ready. When he's ready, he'll come get the apple from you.
I'm gonna eat this one. I'll save this one for him. Those onions are hot.
Well, you should be eating them with your toast.
The onions are hot pepper.
They're a bit spicy.
They're hot pepper.
You want apple? You just want me to give it to you?
You can hear that one, son. He wants your hand to get soggy.
You can eat the whole thing? Bite. Use your teeth.
Those molars are coming in.
Use your teeth. Good job.
Mom, those molars are coming in.
Yeah, they are.
So he has to use them when they're coming in.
Yes.
But for other babies, no.
You spit out the apple?
He spit out the seed.
There's no seed. I peeled and cored it. So there's no seeds.
Mom,
Mhm.
there is seeds.
I peeled it and I cored it and I threw the seeds away.
But just there, what is seeds? I can taste the seeds. Mama, the rest of the apple is for him.
Okay.
I found another apple for him.
All right.
I mean a big one. It's cantaloupe with crisp.
Interesting.
This is hot pepper sandwich. Do you want a hot pepper sandwich?
No.
Okay. Just asking and saying. Give him the apple. This time he didn't eat it from the ground.
Yeah.
He eats it like he's shy when I don't drop it on the ground.